Hello everybody, long time no see. Today the product we're going to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly, and now let's see it together. Firstly, let's check the outside packages, WVCI and DeVost bags, right? And here this is our label, and the first line is our Shumatt brand. Actually, we support a customized service. If you have these needs, we can help our customers to design the logo, label, packages, etc. And inside is the transparent bottles can be better protect the valve assembly during the transportation. Let's see the product. 1 layer oil paper to wrap it up. Each product 6 months warranty time. Quality is guaranteed. This one plug cable injector number is 0445110304. And this one applicable vehicle car is CGERY. Look at the valve cap there with the coating figures on the groove, the valve rod. If you want to install it, the first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. That's small tips for you. Okay, right, it's time to say goodbye. So thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Wish you have a good day. See you.